Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet HHR. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, keyless entry, power mirrors, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. On the inside, you'll find an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, child safety locks, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, a trip computer. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."